In a forgotten corner of his grandfather's attic, a curious high school student stumbled upon a mysterious spacecraft. With a hesitant touch, the spacecraft's controls hummed to life, casting a radiant glow over Timmy's amazed face. The world twisted and spun around Timmy as the spaceship burst into a vortex of swirling lights and unknown destinations. With a sudden jolt, Timmy found himself amidst the vibrant chaos of an ancient Chinese bazaar, bewildered and lost. Amidst the remnants of his broken spaceship, Timmy realized the daunting task ahead, repairing the vessel to journey home. Timmy sought counsel from the ancient and wise figure, who pointed him towards the distant mountains where the legendary blacksmith resided. Together, the unlikely pair ventured through mystical landscapes, facing trials that tested their resolve and friendship. In the shadow of the legendary blacksmith's towering presence, Timmy beheld the master artisan whose skills could mend the fabric of time itself. Under the blacksmith's watchful gaze, Timmy unearthed secrets of repair unknown to his time, each lesson a step closer to returning home. Amidst the looming threat of sabotage, Timmy's hands moved with urgency as he pieced together the shattered remnants of his time-traveling vessel. Against all odds, Timmy's cunning and newfound skills outwitted the malevolent force, securing his passage back to the present. As the spaceship's engines hummed to life, carrying him home, Timmy reflected on his extraordinary adventure, forever changed by the wonders he had encountered.